Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are back with a fan-made teaser.
Yes, and this is a Zabardast teaser, and this one is Vikrant Rona teaser. Okay, so we have
Kicha
none
Sudeep.
other than Kicha Sudeep sir, the versatile.
Right.
Okay,
And today there is an event where this movie's logo is going to release.
Yes, yeah. So we are very much excited, and this movie is going to be, super duper blockbuster movie because the sense, the क्या बोले इसको मतलब एक अलग ही मुझे पॉजिटिविटी लग रहा है ओके सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विल बी टॉकिंग मोर अबाउट दिस आफ्टर सीइंग दिस टीजर सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड बट बिफोर दैट इफ यू आर न्यू टू आवर चैनल डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड आल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल तो चलो शुरू करते हैं
Yes. Okay.
Just creation. Wow.
It's looking like a real teaser only. And here comes the charge. Phantom begins.
Wow. So
It was a
it is
fan-made
a
teaser.
fan-made
and,
teaser, yes, not original
and,
teaser.
And some portion were taken from original that Phantom some clip was released by Kicha Sudeep.
Kicha Sudeep sir's this one,
only,
Vikrant Rona,
And
right?
I think that also part of this Vikrant Rona movie itself.
Movie itself, yes, yeah.
Yes. So it
So
was
what do you
awesome.
understand? Like, what is the context you are thinking? I'm thinking that like
they
this
are
is
saying
a
that welcome to the world of
world of
phantoms.
phantom. Like, what I'm thinking is there is a jungle and they're in search of something very precious.
Okay.
Or something can change the whole meaning of the world, something which is very important to the mankind, to
Yeah,
the
it can
society. So
happen.
they are
Exactly.
in search of that thing, and this is a very precious thing that a lot of people are are becoming mad
Right.
about that
Or,
thing.
like
So they all are in search of
what
that
we,
thing.
We have heard in a lot of the movie we have seen where they were searching some treasure and
Treasure,
something,
hidden
and
treasure, something
they
like
meet
that.
with a lot of different supernatural powers and all.
Yeah, yes.
Right. We have seen that kind of movie,
That kind
and
of
I think
movie,
a little bit concept will
Concept
be
like
that also.
that, because there is a in the jungle there is a Purana Haveli kind of where a big murti were there in the Haveli,
think
so they
that,
are entering into the that Haveli, and Kicha Sudeep sir was looking like a jungle safari man. His hat,
Yes,
his
right.
any
Of course.
so
Of
it is
course,
looking
he's
like
a-
that only, and I really love this
I
kind
love
of
Kicha
concept.
Sudeep with a hat.
Hat.
Either it's a
Yeah.
round hat or this
kind of hat. I also love Kicha because Kicha Sudeep sir का जो facial expression है ना वो hat के साथ बहुत अच्छा जाता है.
Yes.
Correct. And I think this movie is containing that, and also some of the portions which I think that like that past janam and
Okay.
present janam, like
Maybe
Purva janam.
it won't be. I think so. It won't be.
Not sure
this
though,
previous,
but,
previous life to this life.
Huh,
it
why?
won't
Because
be.
now why I'm telling, because here some of the scenes were like it is coming in a flashback. something.
Okay.
It was showing that one lady and one person was lying, and they were like binded, and आग का गोला आके गिरा, and
Okay.
they were like
So I think this is
shouting
but
like anything,
this
like
this is fan made.
maybe
so they have mashed up whatever
yes,
they think it could suit
could
with this
suit, yeah.
trailer, right? So I think that would be a great concept, and this kind of movie mostly it will be loved by younger generation, as well as children also. It's phantom kind of movie.
Not sure
right?
whether this movie is having some adult contents or not, but maybe this movie, matlab the whole context or whole execution, it was looking like that young generation and the children will love this kind of concept.
And the World of the Phantoms, where it was released, it has a background score. It
Background
was
score.
too much thrilling kind of score.
Yes. मतलब जो भी background था ना, the BGM was also very suspenseful. It was like giving me a little bit of thrill in my inside, and also the whole execution, it was, I think, totally in jungle only. The most of the 80% of movie I think has been
Exactly.
shooted
I
in
think they are
jungle.
in search of something. Then most of the thing it will be inside some jungle.
inside सब जंगल, हाँ, क्योंकि वो जंगल के बीच में, पेड़ के बीच में एक सेतु टाइप का था ना, Kicha Sudhir sir was standing in the breeze. So like this movie kind of it's giving me thrill, it is reminding me of kind of like Jurassic Park का जो execution था. It was very near to the Hollywood level editing.
Whatever that scene where Kicha Sudeep was there, that scene was perfectly. It was like a Hollywood kind of.
That is what I'm telling. Yeah,
exactly. That's
their
true.
graphics level, this kind of graphics, this kind of editing, and this kind of execution, like really, they are bomb now.
Yes. Nowadays,
they can
Indian
beat any
cinema
Hollywood
also,
movie.
Right? Indian cinema also going to an extreme level, whatever they can. But because their budget and all, everything is going too high nowadays. And also the skills of the editors have increased a lot.
So this is a very good news for Kicha Sudeep fan. All of the Kicha Sudeep fan, they all are happy. We are even happy because we also love Kicha Sudeep sir a lot, and we all know that his expression, he's an expression king. His expression, his body language, his each and every
His
acting
attitude,
skill is very good.
Yeah, his attitude,
it's very suitable.
Carrying the suits and all and caps, I love that one.
I also
and
love
also,
it.
I think mostly not sure when this movie is going to release, but I'm suspecting it might get released
very soon.
Not very soon, but something around April, maybe.
Why? Because they have just launched some logo, no?
Yes.
So that is why I'm thinking maybe.
And also they have revealed some of the clips.
Hopefully
they have ready with the full movie. Right?
Full movie. Exactly. Very soon, I think the original trailer also, teaser or trailer can get released, and we'll be like doing a reaction video on that.
Exactly. After seeing this one, we are very much excited.
This is going to be another level movie, another kind of precious movie for Indian cinema.
Sandalwood movie. After KGF, I think this will be one of the great movies.
Another KGF, okay, another KGF, another Veera level movie, okay. So yes, and we have the movie is produced by the way, Shalini Jack Manju and Alankar Pandian.
Okay.
And the movie is starting with Kicha Sudeep sir, obviously, and Nirup Bhandari, Neeta Ashok, and Abhinaya Chakravarti. Okay, so these all are the casts. I think this movie, I'm getting positivity. I'm getting this thrill that this movie is going to be super duper, like KGF.
Exactly.
Okay.
KGF
so this
was
is very
something different kind of a story, and this will be a different kind of a story.
But both are having different concept.
Story kind of whatever we see, it will be loved by the millions of the people.
Millions of the people, because this kind of movie can catch anyone's attention.
Yes.
Anyone can sit and start watching this movie, that what will be the next, what is happening in this scene, what is that treasure they are hunting for. So this is creating a suspense.
Nowadays Indian movie is carried away by all the South Indian movies only, right?
Super.
Bollywood gone down.
We cannot actually expect anything. South Indian movies are like that. This is unpredictable. At the very end you will think, okay, मैं तो ये सोच रही थी, ये कैसे हो गया? How this is taking this turn? It was like that only. Yes, definitely. So this is it for today's video. We really love this fan-made teaser, though we have missed out a lot of context, because obviously this is not an original teaser.
It is just a glimpse.
So yes.
I think will be eagerly waiting for the original teaser.
Very true. And Simple Sinu, you have done brilliant job.
Yes.
So okay, so we really loved your creation and you just rock it. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.